Ninja outdid themselves with this. This is incredible.
Okay, so close your eyes, everybody.
Whoa!
Ice cream.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Starter kit.
Go. Oh, that's easy. Hey, I got work in here.
He's working here. On this episode of Janelle Doesn't Know How to Work Any of These Appliances, we've got the Ninja 3-in-1 Luxe Cafe. Oh, you may be asking yourself, how many coffee machines does a person need? And to that I would say, mind your business. Okay, mommy's gonna keep reading how to do it, okay?
I want to make ice cream.
You wanna make ice cream?
Yes.
Okay. I obviously have a lot of reading ahead of me, so I'll come back when I'm ready to make a cup of coffee. Let's try it. Wow. It's pretty good. We have the Philips, what model is it, Kenny? 3300?
Yeah.
We have the Philips 3300. This latte's way better.